This is a tale of two 3D printable socket trays. This one was designed after a 1/2-inch cobalt set in SAE, and this worked out pretty well. I like it okay, but all of these little double dovetail pieces have to be fitted and glued in order to support the assembly here. And that is both somewhat tedious and irreversible to some degree. And so if, say, you made a mistake in putting these in the right order, or somehow had a size in between that you wanted to add, maybe you needed something in 30 seconds and you wanted to add that in here. As silly as that seems, right, that can't be done here, and the whole point is to have this modular. So I've worked up something a little different. This is based for a different set, right? This is for a Husky metric set, and basic design is the same. We have little trays designed to hold these sockets. They will have the numbers embossed in them, as well as the magnet holes on the bottom. But I decided to use a through pin here. So let's zoom in. All right, this is a little tunnel here that goes all the way through both sides. And I have also designed to fit in that a peg that will join these pieces together. So we're gonna turn off all of these so that we're only left with the piece. So you can see I use kind of a 4-lobe design here, and there's a 1 millimeter hole about in the middle, and I've separated the 4 lobes for the first 25 millimeters or so down this peg, so that something like, a toothpick could be inserted and would spread these lobes out to cause a friction fit once they're installed in the tray. So I'll run down the line here. Okay, so we can see in place that's designed to slide in. If we go dead on, I've left 0.15 millimeters of clearance there. And so standard wooden toothpicks that I've got here are about 2 millimeters in diameter. So I'm thinking, we'll be able to shove that toothpick in just a little ways before those lobes are pushed out and locked in place. And, in that way, if you ever wanted to remove this, you could use a pick or a small drill bit to drill out the toothpick and pull this peg out and disassemble this and reuse it, reorganize it however you want it to. All right.